Hey everyone, welcome back to the Databull YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into the original cryptocurrency Bitcoin, the one that started it all. Bitcoin is like digital gold, decentralized, secure, and limited in supply. But how does it actually work? Why do people call it revolutionary? Let's break it down. Right now, when you move money online, whether it's through Venmo, Zelle, or a bank, there's always a middleman. Banks verify transactions, payment processors settle them. And that means fees, delays, and control, especially if you're sending large amounts or crossing borders. Bitcoin was created to change that. In 2008, right after the global financial crisis, a person or group named Satoshi Nakamoto published a white paper. It introduced Bitcoin, a new kind of money, peer-to-peer, digital, and outside the control of any bank or government. The idea: a financial system powered by math and code does not trust in institutions. How Bitcoin works. Bitcoin is like digital money that runs on a big shared computer system called the blockchain. No one owns it. It's run by thousands of computers all over the world. Here's what happens when you send Bitcoin. You tell the network you want to send Bitcoin. The network puts your payment into a group with others called a block. Special computers, called miners, solve a puzzle to confirm it's real. Once it's confirmed, your payment is added to a list that can't be changed. This whole thing takes about 10 minutes. That's how Bitcoin makes sure everything is safe and honest without needing a bank. Bitcoin uses a system called proof of work. Miners' powerful computers race to solve puzzles. The winner gets to add the next block and earns new Bitcoins as a reward. That's how new Bitcoins are created. But it's getting harder over time. Every 4 years, the reward is cut in half. This is called the halving, making Bitcoin more scarce. There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoins. No one can print more. Not the Fed, not a government, not even Satoshi. This fixed supply is what makes Bitcoin similar to gold. It's scarce, and people believe it will hold its value long-term. Bitcoin isn't built for lightning-fast coffee payments. That's where XRP or the Lightning Network come in. But what it is built for security, scarcity, true decentralization, no middlemen, no governments, no off-switch. While inflation drains your savings and banks freeze accounts on a whim, Bitcoin gives you financial freedom. Unstoppable, uncensorable, and uninflatable.